Hey guys, this is Candy here with Crazy 8's Life, and I have my January Glossy box. So excited about this box because my first one I actually knew everything that was in it, which is why I ordered it, but this one is a complete surprise, so I am so excited to share it with you. So let's go ahead and open it up. All right, guys. The first thing that we have is a Bioderma Purifying Cleansing Micelle Solution. And I'm going to kind of read the prices as I'm going through the box. This Bioderma is, let's see, retails for $14.90. It says to soak a cotton pad with the micellar water and wipe across your face. It cleanses the skin by removing dirt and debris, purifying and limiting sebum creation for the freshest feeling. So $14.90 for that. All right, and then the next item we have is lightweight facial lotion. 99% natural and 100% vegan, this moisturizer is rich in antioxidants to defend your skin from damaging free radicals and doubles as a makeup primer. This retails for $34. All right, guys, the next item we have is this Coors Greek Yogurt Probiotic Super Dose Face Mask. This probiotic mask with real Greek yogurt rehydrates, reduces redness, and rebalances the skin's natural protective layer in just one use. This is the 20 milliliter size, and it retails for $10. All right, and then next we have another mask. We have another face mask. High maintenance cannabis peeling mask, and this one says purify, resurface, and smooth your skin with this peeling mask, formulated with cannabis sativa seed oil, organic plant oils, and antioxidants. And that size, this is also, let's see, 20 ml, so also the deluxe mini. And the price on that would be $20. All right, next we have this Zolt CBD drink mix in coconut. And this says raise your baseline performance mentally and physically with a perfect dose of pure hemp-derived CBD. This vegan drink additive is made with organic sweeteners and natural flavors. That's always a plus. Okay, let's see. I think we only have one thing left, and that would be this reusable rounds, which is just makeup removal pads that you can reuse. Let me see if I can open this up. They're super soft. They feel just like the cotton pads that you use to remove makeup anyways, but these ones are reusable. Let me see if it says, simply wet the makeup remover pad with your makeup removing solution. Begin removing makeup in downward swiping motions. Repeat as necessary until your makeup is completely removed. The reusable rounds are machine washable for when it is time to clean and reuse. So those retail for $10. So 2 pads for $10. So let's recap here. We have the Bioderma full size, $14.90. The facial lotion, $34. The mini mask or deluxe mini size mask for $20. The Greek yogurt mask from Coors retails at $10. The CBD drink mix retails at $3.20. Actually it said, yes, that's right, $3.20 for a single stick and $32 for a pack of 10. And then the after spa rounds retailed for $10. And that's it for this box. I'm sure that I can use all of these items in this box. I think that although I don't need masks, I do like masks. So they'll get used. The drink mix will definitely get used. I think it's a pretty good box. So I think it's all usable stuff. I don't think anything will go to waste. So I'm impressed. And if you would like to see a review video, once I'm finished with the products, I will try to get a video out reviewing what I liked or didn't like in this box. And I hope that you guys have a great January, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye. All right, guys, I am back real quick with a review of one of the products in this box. That will be the only one I do until I've had a chance to use some of these products. But I just kind of left and decided I was going to try this Zolt, let me see, the Zolt CBD drink while I was kind of cleaning up around the house, and I thought, well, everything's still set up. So I have the coconut flavor in my box, and I went ahead and mixed it up and just took a sip, and I was like, oh my gosh, this is amazing. It is so good, light, refreshing, mild flavor. It is caffeine free. It is 20 milligrams of CBD. Now I can't, of course, review anything as to, you know, what kind of effects it has, or, you know, it says what, mentally, emotionally, physically, all that kind of stuff. I can't review that. I have one glass here. But as far as the flavor goes, and a light, nice, refreshing drink, it is amazing. I just thought I'd kind of add that in there since I went ahead and tried it. And I will let you know on the rest of the products sometime when I'm done with them.